goodness. Can you see these? Can you see these? I just found the biggest concentration of morels that I've ever seen. And you could see, look, see where my car is? I'm literally 50 feet in the woods in this new spot that I haven't hunted before. But as I stepped into here in this area, I said, there's a lot of grand fir and there's open area and there's moss. This kind of feels good. But then when I take a look, you guys can't see all these, but there are morels everywhere. I gotta be careful so I don't step on it. But check this out right here. 3 here, 1 here, there's 2 here, 1 over here. But look up here, 1 right here. Look at all these morels that are sitting out here, even in here. I bet you there's gotta be 30 or 40 morels in this one spot. I never think I'd find a spot with this kind of concentrations of morels, but damn, this is one of those OMG, holy crap type of moments. I might as well just get these and go home because this is going to be, I don't even know what to say, but holy crap. So, well, I'm standing right, look. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay. Let's start getting some of these. Unbelievable. Look at these. Oh. I gotta see this one over here. I'm literally on my hands and knees because I don't want to miss. I don't want to miss any of these. This is just insane. This is insane. Look at these. Look at these 2 over here. Oh, and this 3rd one right here. You guys can't even see this. Look at this guy. Big chunky guy just kind of leaning over because he's so big. Oh my goodness. Remember I told you guys to get low? Look here. When I get low, you can see all of the morels in this area just popping. I haven't even started on that side, but look at them all. More here. Look at this big dude. This one. Look at these. Beautiful. More here. Oh my. Look at these 2. Wait, no, not 2. 3. 3. That are sitting here. Beautiful. There's another one here. Dang. There's 3 more up here. Up 4. Oh my, look at these. Look at these guys. There's 2 more right here. See them? Look at how awesome that is. Awesome. Oh, look. Turn the camera. See the other two? Right there. 1, 2. Oh my. Look over there. There's 3, 4, 5 more. This is kind of like the scene on Jaws when they say we're gonna need a bigger boat. I'm gonna need a bigger bag. So I know I talk a lot about doing your homework, using Google Earth, looking for new forests. And yesterday when we started out, I didn't find anything. I hunted for hours and I was just skunked. And I was really kind of disappointed. I said, you know what, let's go to a new area. Let's find a new spot we haven't been to. And, wow. I'm literally haven't been in more than maybe 50 by 50 foot square here. And my bag is nearly full of morels. This is like the best day ever. It doesn't get any better than this. I can't believe it. And the best part is, nobody else has been to this spot. I don't know why, but it's right off the road. But we're gonna keep this one a secret. This is the kind of morel hunt where you get enough to share with your friends, put some in the dehydrator, save them for next year. I'll give you guys a little more hint. So right now we're at 2,600 feet. We're not close to any of the burns. We're on the east side of Mount Hood. And just find the elevation. Find 2,600 feet. 2,800 feet maybe next week. Find the grand firs. Find it where you've got a semi-open area like this. Semi-open area. And the morels will be there. We've had a nice bout of rain the last couple of weekends. So it's time. It's time. I wouldn't be surprised if we find a porcini or two today. So let's keep going. We still got a lot of work, a lot of picking. So this is after lots and lots of hours of work. Putting time in the field. Putting out miles on the car. Time on the computer. And it finally paid off. So thank you. The mushroom gods have blessed me today. So we finished up that last spot. And we're moving into a next open area. Check this out. Look at how awesome this is. And as soon as I got on here, I said, this looks very shroomy. So I'm looking around, I get down low. All of a sudden, check it out. I see my first morel right here. And I look around, there's 2 more right here. And I bet if I scout down some more, just squat down low, I'll see some more. So this is how it's done, guys. So I just found 3 or 4 more in a new spot here. If you look at the terrain behind me. But as soon as I crouch down, you know, and you pick up the one, I found 3 others around it. Just by getting low to the ground and looking out, you have a much better perspective on what's happening in the landscape here. And you can see, even though there's a lot of pine cones and sticks and things, that the morels just have a certain profile when they're popping up, that it's unmistakable. Once your eyes get dialed in and you understand what you're looking for, you're gonna be able to see them a lot better. So hope that helps you find some mushrooms. So I'm in a new area here, and somebody or something has been churning up these yellow coral, the Ramaria. Now you can actually eat these, they're pretty delicious, but somebody or something has been churning this up. But you can also see there's tons of other churned up activity, and that's turkeys that are doing it. So thanks, Matt, my new buddy, who pointed out that those are not elk or deer or bear churning that dirt up. It's turkeys. And it makes sense now because I can hear turkeys chirping all over the place right now. But as I got down to look, I stood up, kind of looking over the horizon here, looking around. I saw something. You guys see it? Right there. Look at this big daddy morel right here. Look at this guy. What a beast. That's a good looking shroom right there. Oh, and hold on. Look. There's another one. This is why we get down low, guys. There's another one right here. You can't even see it if you're looking down, but if you squat down, you can see it. Man, pretty awesome. These are two fatties. Let's pick them and get going. Oh, wait. Holy cow. Look at. This is what I'm talking about. Another one there. Another one there. There's another one over there. If you're in a hurry, you're never going to find mushrooms. You got to take your time, smell the forest, see what's around you. Take your time. It's not a race. But look at, I just looked at one mushroom and I found 5 others just by looking around at this low squat down level. So pretty awesome. I bet there's more in here. And we're not even to the place where I put on my GPS that I wanted to find. We're still about 200 yards from it, but I think when I get there, we're gonna find another bonanza of morels. So let's keep going. Pretty awesome day. Dang. Let's go. So check this out, guys. This is the Romeria again. This is the yellow coral, but something has churned it up and churned, look, something ate this one. But the yellow, the coral, the Romeria, they're all edible, but I've had them before. They're kind of a pain in the neck to clean because they get all kinds of dirt and dust in their nooks and crannies. They're pretty tasty, but for some people, they say that it has a laxative effect. And if I'm out here camping in the woods for a couple of days, that's not really the cuisine experience that I'm looking for. I'm good there. So we're just gonna leave these where they are. But another day, if we're home, maybe. But with all these morels, we're just gonna eat the morels. So little tip there. Don't eat the Romeria if you're out camping in the woods. I don't really know what to say right now, guys. This is the best I have ever done for morels by far. And we're not even done. We've only been picking for like 2 hours. And I bet I got a couple hundred morels in here. But look at the size of some of these. I mean, they are just beautiful. Beautiful. But anyway, awesome day so far. I'm going to package these up, put them in the car because the bag's getting heavy. But hopefully today, you guys have learned a few things about hunting high mountain morels. These are natural morels. We're not even close to the burn. We're probably 40 miles from the burns up on Mount Hood. But there are certain tips and tricks. Hopefully if you use some of these, you'll get into some morels too. But if you like the channel, please subscribe. Tell your friends. I'm looking forward to another adventure with you guys. And I can't wait to get out here in the woods again. Thanks for joining.